Welcome to Zooburst.com, a digital storytelling tool that allows you to create 3D pop-up books. This site is a very cool site for any media center or any classroom. Kids will love making these books and they're very easy to do. To get to Zooburst, you just go to www.zooburst.com. If you'd like to register for an account, click here on Register, and it'll bring up a form that you need to fill out. If you'll put in your email address and do the access code and all of those things and click sign up down here at the bottom, it's then going to send you an email with a link to activate your account as well as a temporary password to use to sign in the first time. Once you've activated your account, you'll come back to the site and click on sign in. You sign in with your email address and then your temporary password. And then you'll see all of these tabs that are up here at the top of the screen. The tab with your username on it is basically just a welcome screen, and it has a place where you can click to download the user's manual. My Books is where all of your books are stored, completed and incomplete. My Classes is only available to premium users, but it's where you would go in and manage your classes and the students who are creating books. Under My Profile, you can fill in, it shows your books as well and how you can get to your books, and you can click on Edit Profile and fill in any of these things that you would like to. Also at the bottom it gives you the option to change your password, and you would no longer use your temporary password. So we're going to go into My Books. As you can see, I've already created a book. These are the different actions that you can choose from. Building a book means you can go into your book and you can add pictures, you can add narration, you can add captions to your pictures, you can move things around. It's basically the actual building of your book. View is where you would click if you wanted to flip through your book and show your book to your class. Edit allows you to edit the title and the description, as well as whether you'd like your book to be public or private, and then you can also delete your book here. You can add it to the gallery, which sends it to this link where other people can access your book and use it as they would like to. So we're going to go into my Mountain Region book, and this is where you can click on the title of it to actually view it. Or if you want to build, which we want to work on building a book, you would click Build, and it'll bring up a screen that looks like this. And so from here you can add to your page. Over here you'll see you can search for new pictures, which Zooburst has some pictures that you can choose from. You can upload a picture. This is a tool that's only available to premium subscribers. Once you've uploaded and you've navigated away from the screen and come back, you may have to click on this one to see the pictures that you have uploaded. There's a clip art library, and then you can just look at the pictures that you've used in your book, and then this is also a tool that's only available in premium. Now you can choose where you add your pictures to the book. You can either add it to the book itself, or like this picture back here in the back of the mountains, I clicked on background to add that to the background. So I want to show the pictures that I've uploaded, and there they all are. And so to insert a picture into your book, all you have to do is click on the picture and it'll pop up, and you can move it around to where you would like it to be in your book. And then by clicking on the picture, it also asks you to add character text. This will be like a speech bubble above it, so you could type in whatever you wanted it to say, and then you click the little check up here to save it. So now you see there's an exclamation point over the picture. That means that there is a speech bubble with the picture. You can always save your book at any point through the process by clicking on the green check at the top to save. You can print your book. It'll print from a PDF file. Down here is where you add your pages. You click on the plus sign. You can go back. You can duplicate the page by clicking on this, and then you can delete the page by clicking on the X. You can also just add page narration. This would be what shows up at the bottom of the screen throughout the whole presentation rather than just popping up when you click on the picture. And you can navigate through the pages by clicking on each page. You can also change the size of a picture by clicking on the picture. You can make it smaller, you can make it bigger, you can rotate it. As you can see, mine is a little big to rotate, but you can rotate it around. You can change the angle that it pops. It can lay down flat. It can almost lay down flat the other way. So there's a lot of different things you can do with your pictures. You can change the colors of things. If you're just clicked on the page, you can see you can change the page color, which is the actual book itself. You can change the ground color, the horizon color, or the sky color, and there's lots of colors to choose from. And you can also rotate the book at any angle you'd like to rotate it. So you could turn it and put a picture here, and then you could turn it and put a picture here with a caption, and so the child or the people looking at your book could look at it from every single angle they wanted to. You can flip it up, it can go up, it can go down, you can look at it on top. So there's a lot of different things you can do with this book. I created this book to help. One of the third grade standards in Georgia is to be able to distinguish between the different regions of Georgia, and so this is the book for the mountain region so that my kids can get an idea of and help them prepare for the CRCT of what things they're going to find in the mountain region. If you have a picture on your display that you don't want there, you just click on the picture, and when appearance comes up, you're going to click on the X, and it's going to delete the character, and there it's gone. So once you have your book completed and you have saved your book, always I would suggest saving periodically throughout, but once it's saved, you're going to go back to My Books, and it's going to tell you make sure you saved. If you're sure you saved, go ahead and click OK, and then you can view your book. So once you've saved it and it's ready to go, you can view it, and there's an embed code, and you can share it. So there's lots of different ways you can present it. You'll click on the big play sign, and you can play your book. And so when you click on a picture in your book, the speech bubble will pop up, and you can read what the characters have to say. You can view it in full screen, or you can so there's a lot of options when you are working with the Zooburst. This is the website to go straight to your Zooburst, and there's just lots of cool things that you can do with it. If there's any other questions that you have, there's a support page on here that you can click on, and it's just a really cool tool that I think would be very useful in a media center or a classroom. So check it out and have fun with Zooburst.